Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Musyafar Nasrul Aziz, and today I'm gonna presentation of language testing and evaluation my project. Okay, for the first is validity. Validity determines whether the test actually measure that what is it intended to measure. According to Brown, construct validity refers to extent to which instrument actually measure the specific linguistic construction it is tablet measures. Here we have the first item is to identify the main idea or primary purpose. So the question is to identify the main idea. Next is the second item is finding explicit and detailed factual information. The third is to understand vocabulary meaning in context like exist. Four, identify factual information and causality like cause and effect. Five, making inferential conclusion about the author feelings. So the the item aligned with the C1, C2 cognitive level of Bloom taxonomy and curriculum Merdeka. Learning objective of CP for 10th grade senior high school student. Language is appropriate and free from cultural bias or ambiguity. Next is content validity. Each of five-time reservations, exactly 20% of the test inserting an events and balance distribution across the requiring learning indicator for the context. Next is reliability. Reliability measures the intense context of text, how stable and dependable the text scores are. The method used Gooder-Richardson formula 20R20, which is ideal for uh, dichotomous scoring. 1 for correct, 0 for incorrect. Next is data. Uh, Next is while it fall off short the ideal standard for high school text S is 0.70. This lower confidence is psychometrically accepted because the test has only 5 items, where items naturally yield low reliability scores. Next is item analysis. Item analysis index that we measure how easy or difficult an item is based on the preparation of student who got it right. Like this, we have item number 1, 2, 3, and 4 all fall into the easy category. So P ranks from 0.762 to 0.832. Item 5 is category asked very easy. Indicate that P equals 0.960 with 97 out of 101 students answering it correctly. So the recommended all item have high facility index. It is P 0.70. For future tests, item 5 need to base reserve by increasing the complexity of the option or text structure to provide a better cognitive challenge. Next is discrimination index or D index. This index to measure how well a test item distinguish between high ability students like top 27% and low ability student bottom 27%. Excellent discrimination item 3 0.852 and 5 is 0.556 performance exceptional well at separating stronger students from weaker ones. Discrimination item 2 and 4 is 1.85. Score below the 0.20 threshold, they failed to differentiate between students who mastered the material and those who did not. Next, we have this Carter analysis. In this case, the function of this destructor option is deemed to work well if that incorrect option is chosen by at least 5% of the total participant who give incorrect answer. Uh, so uh, there are five like base Discord quality item one is all destruction function perfectly, and item number three distributory excited trick nearly 12% of students because it is the antonym of exhausted. Worse, this quality of item number five. None of it started reach the 5% threshold. threshold. This explains that why it's difficult. The index was so high, like 0.960. The incorrect option were too easy to eliminate. Specific issue from number 2 and 4, both are have one that are non-functionally destructor. Each chosen by only 1.0% of students. So for the conclusion, here we have retain and keep item 1 and item 3 are high quality item with solid statistic and functioning destructor. Uh, for item number uh, 2 and 3, uh, need their not function destructor replace to improve their weak discriminant index. And for the last item number 5, has lower distraction quality because not a single incorrect option managed to reach 5% section threshold. Uh, this align with its very high value, providing that the correct answer option was to permit or provide distraction were too easy eliminated by students. I think that's all for my presentation here. Thank you so much for listening. Bye bye.